Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how we can use invoke function, or rather than give parameters, and based on the parameter we can fetch the data. So for doing that, today I'm going to use Wikipedia site. So this is my Wikipedia site. Okay, and I'll select this site. I'll copy this URL and I'll just paste it here. Then I'll go to home. I will I'll click on new. I'll click on web and I will paste this URL. I'll click on OK. So once I do that, since the data is in the HTML format, so it is going to bring me this particular table, the highlighted here, in the preview section here. So I can see that particular table here, and now I can click on OK. So now once I have that table available, I can play with the data. But what if you want the data for the past 3 years, like for your 2016 and 17 and 18? So for doing that, what you have to do is that you have to create a new table, and you can give the table a header call as here. I can mention the year 2016, 2017 and 2018. Okay, and year wise, and I'll click on OK. So now a new table will get created and it will have these list of values. Now I'll go to add column and I'll invoke custom function for each of the row. So you can give it a name if you want. So I'll mention here film collection table, and here I will mention what happened. Okay, just a second. So once this is done, you can click on your wise and you can create an invoke function, and here okay, yeah, so before doing that, you have to go to transpose, you have to go to home, you have to select this particular table, you have to go to advanced editor, and you have to modify the M query and make it parameterize. This query which you can see here, it is called as an M query. So I'll mention here it as page as my parameter, and I want to change the year. So ampersand number dot to text, because the URL will be in text format, right? So you can see no syntax errors have been detected. If in case I put a ampersand, so it will show me the error. So I can just, so this gets compiled. This is called as an M query. Now I can click on done. Okay, now here if I mention here 2018 and click on invoke, it is going to show me the year 2018 data. Right now, if you want to get the data for all the 3 years, instead of doing it one by one, what you can do is you can go to add column, invoke function, and now here you can mention film collection, and here you can mention the the parameterized query, which is the year, and now click on OK. Once you do that, you can see the list of tables. So for year 2016 we have these tables, so it will get loaded here. Okay, and yeah, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this. Let me just expand this and show it to you. So now I have expanded this, and once I expand this, I can see all my data from year 2016 to year 2018 for the past 3 years. Now I can just remove certain columns which I don't want, so I have removed it. Okay, this is a date column, so I can go to transform. I can change the data type to date, but sorry, so let me just remove this. Oops. Yeah, so yeah, then the film collection title I want, film collection distributed I want, film collection worldwide grows. Now if I go here and make this to decimal number, it won't work, right? So what I have to do is I have to remove the text from here. So for that I have go to extract text before the delimiter C. So I want all those data before crore, and now I can go to fixed decimal number and change the data type here. So, and I can just remove this, which I don't want, remove, and now I can go to home, close and apply. So once I do close and apply, so now my actual table is ready, and now I can play with this data. So today we saw how we can pass multiple values for fetching data using the invoke function. So let's go and create a chart, and let's click on the data here. So the invoke function, I will get the title and all the distributor and worldwide grows, which I'll put into value. So I do not want this here, I want the distributor here, and I want to remove this from here. So now you can see that what is the earn of Reliance Entertainment, Columbia Pictures, AA Films, Eros International and Viacom Motion Pictures. So in this way, this should also be, yeah, so in this way you can develop visualizations, and in this way you can use the invoke function. Let me just go here and okay, so I made a mistake here, sorry for that. So here, because of the big names, so this is my distributor and this is my worldwide gross, so I will use this tree map, and now I'll use a year. So okay, so now you can see the collection of Walt Disney, Yash Raj, Foxstar Studio, Amir Khan Productions, Viacom 18, Z Studios, Reliance Entertainment, and etc. So this way you can use the use of invoke function. So that's it for today. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. For any queries you can mention in the comments below. Thank you.